I'm Chris Hodgson, and I own and operate Ashley Game Farm in Devon. We've been running for over 30 years, but as Ashley Game Farm for 22 years. Ashley Game was created by the purchase of Ashley Farm 22 years ago. All our production is created from eggs hatched at our own hatchery. I've been focusing for 20 years to create a leading hatchery which has state-of-the-art machinery and is unsurpassed by any other in the UK. Once the process starts in mid-March, every item of machinery and personnel has to work to the clock. We have an experienced hatchery staff, some of whom have been with me for over 20 years, and they keep on coming back year after year. The eggs are delivered to the hatchery and set via the egg setting machine at the rate of 40,000 eggs an hour. And for all of you who set your own eggs in your own hatcheries, you'll appreciate that this saves an immense amount of time. Once the eggs are set, they're sterilised once more and loaded onto the incubation trolleys and allowed to rest at a controlled temperature. Candling takes place once a week on a Saturday. This process identifies and removes all non-viable eggs. Although time-consuming, it greatly reduces E. coli build-up in the incubators and gives us a clear insight into expected hatchability of the remaining eggs. Transferring of the eggs from the incubators to the hatches takes place normally on Thursday and Friday mornings. This machine is extremely quick, however it's very gentle with the eggs. Once the eggs are transferred from the incubator to the hatcher trays, all empty trays are sterilised, ready for resetting the following week. After a few days in the hatches, the Monday hatches are taken off, followed by the Tuesday hatching, and the chicks are available for immediate delivery across the UK in our temperature controlled beds. This requires careful planning to get the right amount in the right place at the right time. We also produce over 600,000 pheasant and partridge poults throughout the season, with 60 to 70,000 chicks placed at Ashley Game Farm every week. Although I've been running for many years, I have no intention of letting up now and have big plans for the future.